Kapitan was donated to us by the Barangay Captain of Barangay Baguio, thus his name. Kapitan was donated with a broken leg. This is why when he was donated to us, he can barely fly. We nursed him back to health, and now as you can see, he is one of our swiftest flyers. Can everybody please say hi, Kapitan?
Hi, Kapitan!
Now, since it's recess time, can anybody tell me ano po yung kinakain ni Kapitan over here? What is Kapitan eating? Kapitan is eating meat. That's because he is a raptor bird. And raptor birds are birds that eat meat like beef, fish, rabbits, at iba pa. Now, it's very interesting to see Kapitan over here because Kapitan is a Philippine endemic. That means dito nyo lang po siya makikita sa Pilipinas in the wild. That's it for Kapitan this morning. Thank you so much, Kapitan. And of course, did you know that there are actually two types of